hello, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and give the like, and don't forget the notification bell to get notified to my next video. So in this video, I'm going to do the one dip makeup challenge by someone else, but I saw it in Nikki tutorials, Dinit's Lava, and maybe I guess James Charles. But guys, we are not trying to be like them. I'm just going to use whatever product that I have. I'm not trying to copy what they use in their faces. I do my own, but it's a one dip makeup tutorials. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. So I'm going to start with our foundation. This is Essence in the shade of 15, my all-time favorite foundation. So what we are going to do is to take one like this. Oh my god, look at that. I needed one. Okay, one dip, so equivalent to one pump. So this is what we are going to use in my face. Actually, this is a bit too much for me because I'm not used to wear this much foundation. But I think this challenge is very good for me because one dip is enough for all my face. I'm not going to cover all my face with a whole lot of foundation. So I have to finish all of them. I don't want to put it out. So let's try to cover those everything there. I will not cut this video, okay? No need cutting today. Okay, so next, our concealer, Essence Stay All Day 16 hours. Oh my god, 16 hours. Who of you wears 16 hours concealer? What is the shade? Natural Beige in shade of 10. So what I'm doing, because this is the one that challenge, only what is here is I'm allowed to use. So let's put it here and here. This challenge is very easy for me because I don't put too much product on my face when I'm doing my makeup. Please cover that dark spots also. It's almost finished. Now it's finished. Come on, put here. Okay, then that's it. Let's blend it out. So what actually concealer do is to cover those imperfections. Like if you have dark circles, redness over there, that it will not cover your base. So use concealer because concealer is a bit more thicker than the foundation. Maybe that's what I thought. Okay, I think we are done blending. I'm going to face it. My mirror is here. I think done. Next step is our loose powder. I'm going to bake my T-zone area with this. Not actually the T-zone. So what we have to do, because this is one dip, we need brush. Just a brush. This is Flormar loose powder in the shade of 04. I know this is quite darker to me, but okay. So this is over the one dip. This is one dip, but I don't like this much. So let's put it there. Let's put it there. Put it there. Okay. I don't want to bake too much on my face because I have lines and I have a bit dry skin. I don't want to overcook the cake. So next step is our brows. So this is the part that I'm afraid of because my brows is thin and the other part is, this area is thin and the other part is more thicker and it's darker. So I don't think so. So what we have to do is one dip. So I cannot use my pencil. I have to use this one. I will be using the dark one because it's one dip. So I have to spread it all over my brows. So let's do this. One dip is all it takes. That's it. I think I have to place here. My camera is somewhere. I have to, oh my god, feel this area. Is there something in my brush? I feel like there's nothing. Oh my god guys, there's nothing in my brush. It didn't make any product. I even tried to pick the darker one so that it will spread on my brows. Oh my goodness, this challenge is not for me. Now it's darker there and here it's not. So let's focus this area to make it more darker. Guys, this is not good, so let's brush this. Look at that, my brows is not the same. Oh my god, it's okay, leave it. It's like that. Okay, next is we have to go back to the concealer again to clean our brows. So we are allowed only to use this one. So that is the one. So I'm taking this flat brush. Now I'm going to clean my brows. It's not too much color, but at least it will help to precise our brows. See? No need stencils, guys. You just need to clean it with concealer. And the other side is like this. Let's see where this one dip tutorial makeup challenge will go. If only I have good makeup kit, I can do more better than I do have now. Okay, let's use this one on the upper one as well. I like to clean from the, I like to clean my brows down and up because I can see that it's more precise. But other makeup YouTuber, they don't actually clean their upper brows. They just want to clean the downside. But they really have good brows. Me, it's just right. So far this is our look. What is next is eyeshadow. Let's go to eyeshadow. So guys, I'll be using this one. It's from Day to Day. It's a very cheap, not too much cheap, but it's cheap. It's 10 dirhams in Day to Day, but it's very good. The pigment is not too much, but it's good. If you are going to play and if you are a beginner, don't use the branded one. Just use the cheaper one. Okay, since this is one dip, as we move on to our eyeshadows, I will be using this first. I will be using my hand, my fingers. Okay guys, let's move on. I have to start the yellow one, not the base, yellow one. So that is one dip. What you have to do is just apply it here. Oh my god, I forgot this is one dip. Okay, let's do different color one guys. Save the last dance, baby. Oh no. Okay, how to save this look now? Because okay, maybe let's remove a little bit and put here also. Maybe what I'm doing to my skin now. I really forgot guys that this is one dip. Next is I'm going to where I'm going. This one, this color, orange, orange. This one. Okay, so this is this much, and I'm going to apply this area. Okay, let's press it over. This area, and this area on the crease, like that. Oh, this is difficult than what I thought. Let's use brush. Oh my god guys, where it goes. Just spread it all over. Make sure you have a nice blended eyeshadow. So this one is more and this one is little. Oh my god, how can I explain the sorrow in my pain? This is what happened to one dip tutorial. Next is how to say this look now, the darker one. One dip is all I take. No, let's go this side because it's a bit lighter. On this side. Oh. Now how to save this look. I have to spread it all over. Mix. Okay. So this is what happened. Next is let's highlight that one to save the look. It's also one dip. Highlight this area and highlight this area. Oh, where is the highlight exactly go? Okay. I think it's enough for the eyes. It's enough. What can I do? Okay, next is our contour. Contour. Let's do the contour. So I'm using this. This is Kilahaway brand. As always, I'm using this always. So one dip. I think this is very pigmented, so I don't want too much. Just one dip. Oh, let's tap places. Okay, I have to face this area because my mirror is there. So I'm doing like this, guys. If you have flat nose, you can actually contour like me. I have flat nose. You see? It's not enough, guys. This makeup challenge is failed. This is not enough. But it's okay. Let's move on. Let's move on to the next process. Let's a highlighter. Let's put highlighter, guys. So in the same palette there is this white, but this is actually with glitter, sparkly shimmering. Oh, how many times I did, guys? Remove that one. That is called cheating, guys. Let's start with this. As you can see, this is the brush that has white, and this is the new one. So one dip is enough. No cheating. Let's put it here. Just to highlight the brown, the lips, the brow bone area. Here. Yes, I'm looking that side because my mirror is there. You want to see more on my face? Okay, that is a very simple look today. Next is our contour for my face. I'll be using Maybelline New York contour palette. This is the contour shades, darker, medium. What like this, guys? This is the darker one, this is the medium one, and this is what? The middle one. This one is the highlighter. So I'm using this one. Let's go to the darker one. One dip, guys. They do it like this one dip, but it's too much product already. Oh my god. Okay, let's start this area. Oh dang. What is happening? Okay. Let's put this also. Oh my god. Just save the last one. Now let's blend it, guys. So what does contour actually do? Is to hide some part of your skin. Just contour to create a very, very nice contour face. I forgot about makeup. Contour is like a scalp. How many times? Scalping. Enhancing the bones. Where is the bones? I don't have bones. So if you don't put contour, your face looks flat, like no bones. But if you apply contour, you can fake the unfaken. You can fake the unfaken. Let's put a little bit of whatever left in the brush. Let's put it everywhere. Now you conclude that contour is to make your face in shape. Okay, that is the conclusion of contour. Next is, what is the next? Highlighter. So in the same palette of Maybelline, I'm using this one. Let's grab that highlighter and in one dip. Let's put it somewhere here. Oh, and let's put it somewhere here. Oh, little bit. Maybe here, whatever left in the brush. Let's remove this one little. Okay. So next, let's move on to our lipstick. So I'm using the Maybelline. No, my God, why Maybelline? This is Rimmel in the shade of, where are you? 200 pink blink 200. So the one dip is like this. Okay. Let's put. Now I have to this. Maybe this one. It's not so easy. Makeup is fun. It's fun, but when you're going to do it, it's very difficult. Let's see. I'm trying to finish what's in the brush. How is it? I think that's it. Okay, we are done with lipstick. Let's move on to mascara. But first I have to curl it. Let's curl it. I wanna cut this video, guys, so that you will see that I didn't what? Cheat. As you can see, it's very good to curl your lash, especially when you have small lashes. Just curl it. Everything will do. Curl will do it. Okay, now let's start the one dip of this. This is I'm allowed to use. Let's start. Okay. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys that this mascara is from Essence. They called it Get Big Lashes Volume Boost. Clump free. The clump is free though, guys. Clump free. Clump means it will not make your lash extra chatter. I put also down, guys. Why is it, guys, when you apply anything on your face, or in your face, we have like this reaction? See? I cannot apply anything without facial reaction. Not facial reaction. Facial movement. Oh, that's it. I will apply my false lashes in front of the camera, then I will get back. So guys, I have my false lashes on. I'm struggling to put this one because I'm not used to apply, to put or to wear false lashes. Oh my god, it's so heavy, guys. It's so heavy. We have to move on to our eyeliner. Look at this. Let's move on to our eyeliner, guys. So I'm using this Wet n Wild liquid eyeliner. So what we are going to do is one dip. So let's do it like this. I don't want this too much. I just want to connect this empty here, empty-handed, empty space, empty. Let's just connect that one into the lash, so it will not look like you have cut eye. Okay, now this looks better. And then let's also extend it one up. I think I don't have no. Let's extend it later. I'm just covering this area because the blue will be healing. Oh guys, I hope you do it also. No, it's difficult. my god, guys, it's finished. My eyeliner is finished. Okay, that is super up close already. Alrighty, so guys, we're done with our eyeliner. Let's move on to our Maybelline blush. I forgot to apply blush, so I'm using this one right here and mix it with this one. So how to mix it, because it's only one dip, let's do it like this. That's it. I have to apply it this area and this area. Maybe this area also. Like that. I don't used to smile. If I smile, I look like crazy. Okay, I think that's it. So that's it for our one dip tutorial. One dip makeup challenge. I didn't show you the one dip. That is my mistake. The one dip of lash glue. Okay, everything is not perfect today. Look at this. Look at this. All the makeup is in my hand. It's in my hand. My hands. Oh my goodness, guys. I think this is the final look. Let's remove this eye because my hair is still wet. Maybe. So here is the up close of my finished look. Yes. So thank you for watching in today's one dip makeup challenge, guys. See you in my next one. Thank you for watching.